So, you've been refused a Schengen visa to Austria. First, breathe. Then, let's talk about how to turn this around. Now, Austria doesn't always slam the door in your face immediately. If they're feeling generous or just following EU law, and they might first send you a Stellungnahme. It's a written notice saying, hey, something's off with your application. Want to clarify before we refuse you officially? You've got 7 days to respond, but here's the catch. Everything must be in German. No English, no machine translation, no dear sir or madam, please help me. Thank you. It won't work. If you don't respond, or if you do it poorly, the application is automatically refused. Boom, game over. Now, if you do receive a final refusal letter, here's what happens next. You can either file a Vorstellung, a kind of formal objection, back to the Austrian mission. Or, if you're feeling confident, you can appeal to the Federal Administrative Court in Austria. Whichever route you take, there's one golden rule. You must directly and clearly respond to the refusal reasons. Don't just beg, don't just say, I need this trip. The appeal must be legally solid, structured, and relevant. Now let's talk about why Austria says no in the first place. Some of the most common reasons include they don't believe your travel purpose, they think you can't afford it, they doubt you'll return home, your documents smell fishy, you're flagged in the Schengen information system. And no, just being a good person isn't a legal argument. What's even trickier is that Austria has its own national refusal rules stacked on top of the Schengen ones. You can also be refused for having no proper ID, not showing enough personal funds, possibly working illegally, suspicion of extremist views, even damaging Austria's international relations. Yep, that's a thing. I get it. Some people ask, should I appeal or just reapply? Well, both are options, but if you don't fix the root issue, reapplying is just wasting your money and time. And if you appeal badly, you could make things worse. So let me give it to you straight. If you don't read Austrian legal German in your free time, get professional help. Here's what a lawyer brings to the table. We speak law and we speak German. We know what arguments work and which ones get ignored. We track your deadlines. We draft the appeal letter that makes them pause and reconsider. And yes, we've handled over 1,600 refusal cases and win around 85%. Because we don't guess, we analyze, plan, and strike where it counts. Without a lawyer, you risk submitting a weak or invalid appeal, getting flagged for suspicious behavior, ending up with a multi-year entry ban. So here's the deal. Check the link below this video to learn more and book a case review, consultation, or get help drafting your appeal. We'll help you figure out if you should appeal, reapply, or just go on vacation to a visa-free country instead. Drop a comment if you've been through this, like the video if it helped, share it with someone who just got rejected, and subscribe for more real advice, not myths from travel forums. And hey, if you don't understand your refusal letter, please don't call your cousin who once spent a weekend in Vienna. Click the link, call the lawyer, let's fix this properly. See you in the next video.